Morning, everybody. It's a bright and beautiful sunny morning. It was very, very, very cold. It was under 30 degrees, probably in the mid-20s last night, but my thermometer quit. It was too cold and it quit. We had the garden covered, but it's about 50 now. And look at that sky. Beautiful blue sky. Now you may notice some things sitting around here in a circle. And we've got the porch cleaned up. All getting ready for the big day. Let's go inside the trailer and show you what's going on. Have a look here. And let me see if you guys can guess what today is. There's some party supplies going to be put up later on. Melanie is working hard in the kitchen. She's got butterfly shaped cookies. She's got blueberry muffins. Everything is homemade, all natural. The frosting, the coloring, every single thing she does is all natural. I don't know what's under that chocolate, but it's all homemade through and through. Oops, wait, I lied. There's sprinkles on there. She didn't make the sprinkles. Okay, all right, I have to take back what I said about Melanie. There's Michelle. Hi, Michelle. And Melanie, oh, maybe we shouldn't show the kitchen.
No, forgive me. No, forgive me.
The kitchen, oh wow. Melanie has been working in the kitchen for 2 days. And this is Melanie's element. This is what she does. This is what she loves. This is what she loves. Look at this, guys. So we've got some meatballs here. We've got some scraps of some stuff. We got some scraps of some chicken. Chicken over here. We got stuff going on over here. Melanie is preparing for a birthday. Michelle is 1 year old on the 26th, and today is Sunday the 23rd. Happy birthday, Michelle. This is your day.
She's a taster.
She's a what?
She's the one tasting my food.
Oh, she's the food taster. Has it passed your test? Huh? Yeah? Oh, she's happy. So, we're getting ready for a big day today. All this stuff out everywhere here. And we're getting ready for the big day. What was that? Say again, Michelle? She was just talking. Oh, you happy today? You know something's up, don't you? Huh? It's your big day. Oh, you dropped your favorite blanket. She loves that blanket very much. So, this is the first birthday gift. That's her play area. We can take that inside or take it outside. She's got all her toys in there, and this makes it easier to watch over her because she is now walking all the time and looking for trouble. She has trouble in her face and in her eyes, and you can tell she's always looking for trouble now. So this will help us a lot and keeps her occupied. She had that, I think. Melanie, she had that before she was born, didn't she? Or was it? Yeah. That was one of her first toys before she was even born. And she sits and plays with it. She is smart, too. She has somewhere a little cell phone toy that she loves. There's another one a little bit more complicated somewhere. And she has a keyboard which she knows how to press the certain buttons on it to make music. Pretty cool. Well, there's Michelle's place where she's going to sit. Balloon on there. There's the gift table. There's the banner in the back. Over here we've got the dessert table. And I'm going to squeeze by the tree here. There's all the decorative
No, I'm saying clear that. Pull this up.
things here.
Okay.
Oh. Got the old wood stove going on. We just took the food off. I've had that running all day, heating foods. We got the hot food over here on this table. You can tell there's a lot of people going on now, a lot of noise. Got some hot dogs and some chicken things going on. We got some drinks. Got a lot going on. I'm not going to show the people, but it's going to be fun. Got a lot of people, a lot of tables and chairs. Got some, Melanie. Got some food on the grill over here, looking good.
Me. The cooking away?
I don't think I recorded that, but anyway. There's Melanie with her weird hat. There's the kids' table.
When I found this, I was
Everything's decorated.
and then I took it home and I'm like, oh, it's cute.
My sister is probably younger than me, and she wears leggings like that.
Now that's a happy face.
Yeah, it is. I think the sun was part of it too, being right in her face. She gets hot. She gets very hot.
She got her own little birthday cake, which is smeared everywhere.
She just smashes in them all.
Don't touch it. Is that good? Knock, knock.
Got it in her fist on the other hand. Oh, that's good stuff, huh?
Did you notice she's looking at me? Yeah.
Oh, she's looking at the finger.
Oh, she's looking at the camera.
Good stuff, Michelle.
Your princess wave.
Oh.
No more sugar for a month.
Just wait a few minutes.
Oh, no nap today.
Nope. It's right.
That's pretty.
Right there.
Melanie.
Mom, you're missing it. Oh, that's so pretty. We're gone, okay?
Oh, look, she's opening her presents.
Oh, this card's from Mom, too.
Look. You can get it. What's in there? Go get it.
Not too close, babe.
Oh, look.
What even
The
is
sun
that?
is going through her
What's
eyes.
that?
Hold on.
Melanie.
Oh, I got
Hey,
one.
do you want to move her?
Yeah, I'll be with the county here.
Oh, this is the one you make.
Yep, I made that for
Oh, that's pretty.
Because the winter's coming, so
what do we
she's
get?
going to need warmer
I got
blankets.
my sister got that for Christmas.
Hey, move away. They get recording.
You don't see it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I know.
You want to hold them all up, Melanie?
Melanie?
One at a time?
Aw.
Oh, I like those. My sister got that Billy for Christmas. You got those in
Is that a
Christmas?
bathroom duck? Bathtub
Yeah.
No,
duck?
I only got the.
Then
My sister only got
Oh,
the
neat.
Billy.
It's a towel. It grows. It grows in the bathtub with her.
okay.
Turns into a full washcloth.
She's like, give it back.
That's my gift. Look, there's another one.
Yeah, you're going to have to pull it apart.
There is the. Look at it.
Look
at the one inside.
You can fit in that.
Right. She could. Yeah, my bad. I kind of overdid it.
She's so funny. She would have grown it, and she won't. She don't want
She wouldn't see it. Oh,
It's a baby. It has a baby.
Let her see his face.
Baby has a baby.
This baby's face is down.
Yeah, show her, Melanie, show her the face. Let her see its face.
There you
Wow.
go. Aw, it's a baby.
A baby has a baby.
She's like, I don't know what to think about that.
Right. She's like,
Aw,
It makes noise.
oh,
yeah. See? Yep, there you go.
I have that at home too. I have that microphone at home
I gotta keep
too.
mom and daddy awake.
It's a mimic noise.
Other one. Come on, go get it.
I don't do any lifting.
Another ball. She said she don't. I think she doesn't want that. What? You wanna go give it to her, Megan?
Put in the basket, baby. Put in the basket
What?
right there.
There's the other one.
I think she's. I want to put it still, please. What's the head? I think
Oh,
she's
Froggy.
Bucky. Don't see it?
Stay here, Greta.
Oh, that's loaded.
Yeah. She
Yeah.
doesn't like the ball.
See, that matches with the duckies and...
Oh, yeah.
She doesn't like the
No,
ball.
it's done.
Get mine.
She don't like this one.
Yeah, that's in the way.
Get mine.
Oh, sorry, Gaia.
I'm sorry. Girls, watch out. Watch out. Baby.
Okay. It's a big one.
Make way.
Now, come on.
Ooh. You needed that.
Baby diapers.
Yay!
Michelle's really needed. Something she needs and toys she can play with.
Yeah, right.
Thank you.
Diapers.
The other one. Look.
Happy birthday.
What's that? Your favorite.
Your favorite.
Oh, look at that.
Show it, Melanie.
It's a potty that makes noise.
Oh, it's a happy toilet.
We can flush it.
Yay.
I want to play hockey.
Thank you. There's the other one.
How old is that?
Silverware.
Oh, that's cool. You can put that there. She's gonna read it later.
But where's the cash?
Wow.
Oh,
Look.
that's her own set.
Oh, she said, oh.
Can you hold it up, please?
Mama,
She's so cute.
it's a bunny.
I bought it when I bought it.
Your own serving set.
Pack the bunny.
Chuck and sale.
There's Michelle.
Yeah.
Yep.
She's like, I don't want that.
No.
Look at this one.
A dress.
Oh, beautiful is this?
Oh, look.
Sippy cup. I guess she's gonna fall on the ground.
Look.
No, sippy. No sippy for her.
For the bag.
No sippy for her.
Let's go home, okay? You say bye.
Oh, that's so cute. Look, butterfly, Michelle.
Wow, yes.
Oh, look at
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
So like this.
Oh, that is perfect.
Went over there one day and I took a picture of it.
there, not me.
Grandpa Dave.
And then there's
Michelle,
an outfit
look.
underneath it.
Pontoon boat.
Michelle.
She wants some of the chocolate cake.
Oh, she's looking at the
Oh yeah, but
Turn it, Melanie.
steel clean one. It's aluminum.
Yeah.
She's gonna be styling.
Look at this soft.
Or
See?
even older.
She likes soft like that. Look at that. See?
Oh,
See?
good. She loves it.
She likes soft blanket.
She likes the towel.
Here, you want to hand me that bag and I can put it back there.
There's another one, Michelle. Look.
She really likes that little thing.
Oh, see? She knows that.
Oh, that's cool.
Look. Oh, look.
Oh, wow.
That's everything.
Wow.
See? Me? That outfit?
Hold it up, Melanie. Let me see.
That was me.
That's nice.
Thank you.
That's what I was wanting to get.
And she's gonna drop it.
Oh,
I
there's
wanted to get her
another one.
something
Look.
like that now. She's ready for it. Thanks.
What?
That play set.
She likes the Fisher plate.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, especially coordination with
Yes.
the shapes in.
She's getting
Oh,
really.
she likes.
Oh, look, you got a box.
Oh, cannolis.
Some cannoli.
I don't have something to try.
I lost mine. Hold on. Did you get it? Mine's under the steps of the trailer.
Oh my goodness.
Look at it.
She's liking this unwrapping.
Yeah, she is.
She likes bear.
She likes
the bear.
Mm-hmm. She likes the soft stuff.
Moving there, right?
Oh, you want this one?
Oh, beautiful.
Wants it. Some new tights.
Oh, pretty
Oops.
nice. She wants it in the box.
What else?
Aw.
Oh, another noise snake.
You're so happy.
I should have got her a drum set. What are you talking
Oh,
about?
I know. I told him that. I told him I wanted to get her a drum set because she was already beating on empty
Coffee can.
empty
coffee cans. Look, and he's like, no.
It's a big
So I just got her a mimic mic so she can scream into it and mimic. Now you have the big one left.
And now
Michelle was one.
Big one last.
Yep.
There's the big one.
Melanie wanted to open it first. I was like, why don't you do from little to biggest?
This is neat.
That is
that's
neat.
huge. That's the biggest clip I ever seen.
Yeah. That's a major potato chip clip bag, or bag clip.
Oh, Michelle, you could get lost in that bag.
Oh,
my
look
goodness.
That's
Oh,
my,
nice.
That's my bag.
Speaking of which, Troy,
That's our bag.
Mom
Activity
and Dad bought you a ride-em horse, one of those spring ones.
Yeah.
Stands about yay tall.
Right.
I still have
We
it.
buy
That's
that.
nice. When
It's out in the
she's
school.
a little bit
She
bigger,
won't get- yeah.
when
Oh,
she's
she
a
will
bit
love
bigger,
this.
we'll put it in her playground.
Now I want to.
Oh, look at that!
Oh, she likes it.
She looks so sad. Like it?
Cute.
He's like,
That has the movie soundtrack.
Really?
Uh-huh.
that's cute.
I think you have to spin that spinner or press one of those buttons.
Oh, she kissed it!
That sounds making noise earlier.
What about princess?
Oh, that was a surprise.
You can put it down and she can try it then.
You want me to open it first?
It's like Daddy's car.
Okay.
Do you want me to open it?
Isa sa akin ang balakang mo mamaya.
She's just got enjoying the ride, huh?
Well, the remains of a bonfire is all that's left of the party we had today. You'd never know we had a big party here. All the decorations are gone. All the people are gone. The porch is put back exactly how it was before. It was a great day. Good time and a lot of fun. I want to thank everybody that was here and for the gifts for Michelle. She spent a considerable amount of time right here in the middle of everybody. She was actually out here all over the place. She loves playing in the dirt, but when we were cleaning up, she was right there playing. The kittens were playing with her, happy as anything. That's it. All that remains is a little cooler there. And the smoke from a dying bonfire. Well, guys, this is not your typical off-grid homestead video, but this was special first year birthday party of our daughter Michelle, our little homestead girl. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Good night.